So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about." Which I was talking about AI art, whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea. Like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI to generate some hair stuff. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series, Orbem. It's book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programmy stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. You're just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. Macs are good. They're just solid. They're kind of just like the... Well, hello. What up, party people? It is I, Party Master. Seashell, hitting it up early. What is up? Wait, you not streaming? All right, I like it. Oh shit. Oh, there we go. What'd I do? All right. Oh man. I really wish I knew the root cause of why it shorts out like that. Because like I moved the wire around a lot. It's something between the USB connection to the splitter and the way that OBS connects to the mic input. I don't know. It's because it's not just the mic. The mic doesn't go out when I record or hold it or run around or anything. It's like this specific setup. So, whatever. All right. Well, let's do one of those. Man, we got stream avatars first try. That's exciting. Oh yeah, we have our indicator icon. That's what we were working on, which is right there. I do not like it though. We need to make an SVG version. Gonna get to them on stream, then going to be streaming gameplay. Ooh, nice. From Steam? I don't believe it for a second. I don't believe it for a second. That's really cool, man. I'm stoked on that. Oh, actually, let's open the indicator. Which I think... Did I move it to the actual game? No, I didn't. So, I just made my second Amazon product right here. So, this is a laptop airflow maximizer stand. Very good name for such a simple object. This goes along with my light switch plate shelf. But here, I actually have it under my laptop right now, so... Because I needed one, but... Here we go. So now it's a little bit lower. So this is what we got here. So... This one only took a few prints. I finally kind of nailed down... Because I got a new 3D printer. I kind of nailed down the differences of raft supports mixed with speed and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so this is it. It just slides under your computer and allows airflow. And it beats the hell out of what I was using before, which were these little squares, cubes. I put 4 of them under my laptop to keep it up a little bit. And the problem with them is like if you move it at all, they kind of shift around. So this kind of keeps everything nice in place, but you can still move the laptop around no problem, and they won't fall off. I know. Exploded. But yeah, no, this one came out really good though. It was nice and simple. Very quick. It's printed in about an hour with the raft. The raft had about 4 layers. Without the raft, it printed in 37 minutes, so also depends if I want more infill percentage. But how hard was it to get on Amazon? Oh, I'm not there yet. I'm still in the R&D phases of actually creating the project. It's not hard to. I'm already on Amazon. My merch is. So I have, you know, the Orbem order brand on Amazon already. So like if you go here and you look up, I showed this in the last stream, that it keeps renaming me to Orbem order. But you see, so I have a brand name here for products for Orbem. So I can just use the same brand name and just add more products. It won't be directly from their merch, but it should follow the same guidelines, I'm guessing. And yeah, so I'll have my own little store. Which, like, I mean, do you have a... Can you visit the store? Oh, right here, brand. Yeah, so this is part of fashion. I think it's going to be a little bit different if I actually start a store, but I mean, I don't think it's hard. You might just have to do some tax verifications and stuff, which I've already done for the books and everything. So I think where I'm at, I should be able to kind of easily become part of this Amazon brands. I don't think it'd be that hard. But here's I'll show you my light switch shelf. So this is my light switch shelf. It's just a light switch plate with a built-in shelf. And this one took a lot of prints to get right. And yeah, I did a print a couple streams ago. The last print I did for it, and it failed. But it failed on the supports, so it actually was printing well. But basically, it just goes on your wall, on your light switch plate, and you have a nice little shelf here with a little ledge. See, it's got a little ledge built into it. And yeah, it's just for whatever, you know, you got some remotes or your phone. If you have a light, because I have a light switch literally like right behind me, and it just makes it easier to, you know, shit that you just put down, keys or whatever, or it could be specific for like your fan remote or your TV remote. This is a good little shelf. And I'll be making a few different versions, you know, the double, the triple, the paddle switches. I can make a few versions of this. I could sell it in any color. And yeah, you know, this one prints in about 3 hours. It's a lot bigger. It's got a lot more supports because it prints flat like this, so it's a lot more supports in here. I could probably end up figuring out a even better way, but I mean, I've printed a bunch of these. Not fully, but just like testing out different variations and stuff. And yeah, that's where we got to. And yeah, so that's another one. And then I have a few more ideas. Mostly for the grommets inside of your desk. Like this. This is like a little, you know, wire grommet on your desk. I printed a holster for my watch charger when I first got my first printer that slips into the grommet because that's where I was putting it. Your stream was blacked out and muted for me the entire time since I sent the last message. Oh. Did you see the... Did you see this? The light switch thing that I was talking about? Okay, okay. Yeah, this is what I was talking about the whole time when you weren't paying attention. This is a yeah, little shelf for the light switch. Yeah, and it I got this. This is like version 3. I have a version 4 of this that has a crossbar on the top because there's a little bit of lifting. You can see it's a little bit of lifting on the end. The crossbar actually just will keep it down. And the idea is to make this so I can just like print, set it up 3 times, and just print in case, you know, if you have a few people. I want to be able to like print, post-production, and ship in the same day for whatever the products are. Because I got a new Sun T1 Pro that's like high-speed printer. So it's opened the door for a few things. And yeah, I can do like different variations of it with, you know, 2 switches, paddle switch, that kind of stuff. It's pretty easy. And yeah, I just designed this stuff in Fusion 360. If you've just a little CAD program. That's very similar to like Google SketchUp, which is what I used to use back in the day. So Fusion 360 is actually pretty simp. And definitely not getting into Blender, so. But I only plan on making like pretty simple just accessories. Like I was showing you before. The desk grommet, you know, that helps your wires go into the little hole of your desk. This is what came with the desk. I have a whole bunch of accessories I want to create, like little phone shelves and charger holders and different variations of this, because I have 2 grommet holes for wires at the end of my desk, and it's on the other side of my desk, so when I walk around I have access to them, and I use them to, you know, hold my watch charger and stuff like that. So yeah, a lot of people have similar situations where they have a front to their desk, you know, it's not against the wall. And that's another idea. SolidWorks. Yeah, I like Fusion 360. It's great. You know? It can do a lot more than I do on it. I mean, you can do a lot of different like materials and the whole version controlling system, and I barely use mesh or the assembly features or the insert features. They have so much stuff built into it. It's not free. Oh, okay. And haven't gotten into it. Yeah, and all these, you know, they save all these in the cloud and stuff like that. It's all free. Yeah, see, this says not for commercial use. So, I can't use it for commercial use. These are just my own fun designs. I use the printer for commercial use. Whoop. And yeah, I like this slicer from Sun. It's like built in for the printer. Like it goes directly to the printer from here. Like I can just click print, and then you can, you know, you could see the print. And I actually use OBS to record my prints. You'll see here I got I have this set up so I can print on stream too. This is what I was doing the other day. But after that, you know, my airflow thing printed correctly. The only thing I want to figure out is a better way to do the rafts, because right now I when you pull it off, there's a whole layer of strings, and it makes it really hard to do post-production on it, post-processing. So, I mean, it might be as easy as just running a sander through it or whatever, but not a big deal. I'll figure that out. Right now I'm just trying to get a bunch of printable files ready to go, and then I'll print a few versions and do painting and all that kind of stuff to have final products. Yeah. So Cura is what I was using from my Ender 3. And I got really used to it. It's not super powerful, but the supports and the rafts. Yeah, see, I'm opening it right now by accident. The supports and the rafts in here are like so much better because the rafts just tear right off. And I'd really like this is a clip I made for my dog gate. And the preview here, if you slice it, do I have rafts on here? Yeah. No, it's just supports. Yeah, I have rafts set up here. So the rafts on the first layer, they're so much more solid because it like gives you a whole flat layer on top to connect to. And I need to figure that out. I know I could do it because I've already messed around with the Eiffel Sun rafts, but I want to use their like built-in thing because this is made for Ultimaker printers. So this is the Eiffel Sun slicer. So I want to just try to use this more. And for some reason, it's not showing my printer though. I don't know why. It's really weird. Before it showed the same thing, that this thing right here. This is like built into the slicer, but now it's not showing it. Anyways, you heard the man. Scotch tasting. Don't miss scotch tasting. Tell Kuzo to watch right away. Oh, speaking of scotch tasting, have you guys heard of Scotch Time? Scotch whistle. God damn, it's ASMR. Yeah, you like my super slow scotch time? That's actually full speed. I took the I made that just in Premiere Pro, and I slowed it down so much so that I could have a lot of time to do scotch time that it's just like and I was like, eh. It looked better when I just played the video, but for some reason it's just like super slow. I'll make a new one eventually. Oh yeah. Alright, where are we? So I had day 4 of the Scotch Advent Calendar, and it was good. It was really good. It's still not, it wasn't super peaty, but it really reminded me of Oban, which day 1 reminded me of Oban as well. Day 2 was oakier, even oakier, more like Highland Park. Day 3 was pretty damn trash. Not undrinkable. All these have been really good. I mean, I like Scotch in general. And now day 4 was another good one. But I still haven't gotten a really peaty one yet. Oh, it's so good. It just smells like, you know, have you ever been to, I forgot that Spanish guy's name, but he went to the Fountain of Youth. Is that what it was? Where there's this clean pool of water, and if you drink it, you get to live forever. That's what I imagine this smells like. Yeah, Ponce de Leon. I feel like Ponce de la Orbem. Smelling a glass of Fountain of Youth water. Ponce. Yeah, it's just like fresh spring water. And with a hint of peat. And a little smoky afterbite. I've now learned, because I've been using a Glencairn glass, those little ones, that it's just putting your nose at the bottom. It's kind of rough. But when I put my nose at the top of the glass, it's like super smooth, and I get way more smells. Yeah. There we go. Scotch tasting. I almost got bell pepper for a second. Still peat. I'll always have peat. I mean, this is a 10-year Lafroig. Lafroig is very peaty. Yeah, caramel, cherries, peat. I like that bell pepper, though. That was a pretty good one for the initial bite. Okay. Where were we? AI? Oh, yeah, here we go. Nailed it. So you, my friend, I should just rebuild it. I shouldn't even be like converting this. Let's just rebuild this and fucking, I don't know why I didn't make this originally. I think I was going to try to do something else, that's why. Something like that. And then we'll put a... Yeah, I was going to try to like... I don't remember. I was going to make it into like a weird picture. No, I want acumen. Yeah, something like that. Should probably make it bolder though. You're not going to see that from far away. Oops. How do you change? Oh, default bold. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's not very center. That's much better. Alright. I'll take it. We got suffix indicator. Game creators and go. Moosh better. Let's re-upload this now. Oh, wow. That is not the font that I chose. But I like it. I don't know why it exported the wrong font. Maybe it wasn't available or something. Alright. What? I'm not signed in, am I? Should be. The fuck? Okay. Should be good. Yeah, I like this new game options screen. That's pretty good. Ooh. How are we not upgraded to the newest version of WordPress? Thank you. Alright, let's see. Where's my indicator? I have to style this shit. What did I say? Position absolute. Top 1000. No? Where are you? Left. 200. No? Where you at, buddy? Oh, looks like it's... Oh, shit. There's white inside that. Damn it. Who said you could have fucking white in you? Oh, I probably have a fill. I'm an idiot. Yep. No. No fill. Not talking to you, Phil. Export. Yes. This is probably right. One more time. Well, let's get the styling down first. I can't spell. So what we're trying to do here is I'm changing the way talking works. Now what I want to happen is when you get close to somebody, instead of it just automatically starting the conversation, I want it to just put an indicator screen or indicator icon, so you know that you can interact with it. And that way I can use that same logic across the game, so you'll know some things are interactable, some aren't. And yeah, in this case, I don't know where the fuck this thing is. Where are you? It's anywhere near the game. How did I do this yesterday? I know if I do fixed, it's right up there. But absolute, let's try like 2,000? 3,000? I think I'm pretty low. Oh, okay. That's why. I'm just really low. 100 pixels. Alright. Yeah, that looks fine. It's still too big, though. I'm gonna have to change the size. Let's do width 20, height 20. Yeah, there we go. That's a pretty good size. Now I just have to decide, where do I want to put it? Like top right of the icon, of the item? Right in the center? I don't know, I'm trying to think of how they do it in other games. Usually it's just like a little white circle, or like a white stroked circle. You can like barely see it. I just wonder, is like this too much? Remember, doesn't look like I need to do that. Alright. Well, let's do this anyways. Indicator icon. We'll definitely have some default styling, but we'll have to do some JavaScript to decide the positioning. Because what I want is the same icon to be used for everything. You know, I don't want to have like an icon for per item. That'd be crazy. Just load it once. Where is this inside the default map? It's inside main. Okay, so it's not inside the default map. Inside site main? Alright, primary, yeah. So let's get me inside here. Um, yeah, right. Indicator icon. We'll do position absolute. And we'll do width 15. 15. All right. There's that. Cool. So now, oops, that didn't work. What happened? Oh, my bad. I don't remember my own build commands. So now we need to give it a position. So this is gonna be hard because we need to decide what gets an indicator icon. So it has to be something interactable. So that means the person has a cutscene attached to them. Now I also have cutscenes that I want to trigger when you walk over a trigger. But there are that's kind of hard. Because in this case, I want to be able to trigger the indicator not by touching him. Whereas the other ones, when you get close to them, it triggers it. But then I also want the ability to start a cutscene just by walking over something. So that is a big difference. Basically, I need to be backwards compatible. Somehow. Alright. So let's see what kind of things we have going on here. So we'll use Andy Reception as an example. He has a cutscene trigger. Now, I need to add a new field that says whether it should be auto triggered or engage trigger. So it'll be auto or engage. If it's engage, then the person has to click on their action button. If it's auto, then when they hit the trigger, it'll just start the cutscene. Well, we'll start there. There's going to be a few instances of this. So let's go to cutscene trigger. Oh no, I need to add the field first. Alright. Let's go to MetaBox. So, where's this cutscene? So we already have some things for cutscenes. This is going to be different. And I want to control the position. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Okay. So let's do it this way. Explore. engage auto. How about trigger type? I like that better. Okay. So now we'll get a trigger type set up. Wait, was this for? No. Okay. Trigger type. And then in the end, let's see if this works if I just add it to the template. So where is this? This is cutscene trigger fields. Cutscene trigger fields. Here we go. Pop, 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 pop. We'll add another one here. It'll be a radio. Video killed the radio star. And this is going to be trigger type. Alright. And this is going to be type radio. Name. Explore trigger type. Alright. Explore trigger type. Now, the value for this one is going to be auto. Right? And we'll put a label or something here. Auto. Then we'll do another one. How am I doing the other radios? Oh, okay. I'm not even putting a label or anything. Whatever. Seems to be working. And then just another BR. These old school breaks. Engagement. How about that? Radio. Yeah, we'll just copy this. Engagement. Alright. Alright, let's see what happens. So we should have a new field. But will it save? This one's going to be engagement. Save. Oh yeah, I should probably set what happens. Checked. Yeah, something like that. No, it's not that. It's values. Explore trigger type. Oh, auto. Yeah, correct. That should be it. On your grave, I will dance. On your fucking grave. What a brutal song. Bring Me the Horizon used to be pretty nuts. Yeah, right. Let's see if it worked now. Up. Oh. Hey, it worked. That's pretty cool. I mean, as long as it saves it as a string variable, it'll be fine. But if it's going to be an array, that's when I have to kind of mess around. But yeah, okay. First try. I'm pretty happy about that. Alright, well now that we know what we're dealing with, we need to go to cutscenes, and we'll put the cutscene type on the trigger. That we know if they run over this trigger, don't just engage cutscene. Engage the indicator, and then and then they'll know you have to click a button. That being said, I will have to add that button clicking ability which I believe our action key at this point is spacebar, which is also used for hitting. I just don't know really another way. I mean, I know if you're on an item that has an indicator, I cannot swing the blade or use the weapon. I can just make it the action key. But I wonder if that'll conflict with something in the future. I don't know. Maybe. Alright, let's give it a shot. So we're done with you, and we're done with you. Done with you, done with you. And I think we need you. And you. And now we'll get cutscene trigger. Oh. Type. Surprises. Oh, there we go. Explore cutscene. I think it's just trigger type. Oh, should it be cutscene trigger type? Shoot. Trigger type. No, okay, good. That's the only one. Well, hopefully I won't need that anywhere else. Can't I just do this? I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Okay, here we go. No, this has to go into trigger. Where's the trigger? Here we go. This is the trigger here. Let's add a new thang-a-lang. Trigger type. That's not what I meant to do at all. Nice try. Cutscene trigger type. God damn it. Alright. But I only want to do this if it's not 0 or empty. Whatever, I guess I can keep it there. Not bad to have an empty trigger type. Alright, let's see if we get the trigger type on the front end. Could probably do something about it. So the trigger is right here. Right about cha. Let's look up cutscene trigger. Here's Andy. Oh, there we go. Data trigger type engagement. It was that easy. So, that being said, how should the indicators be? Usually it's a proximity thing. So if you're close to it, it triggers it. And then if you go away from it, it goes away. And that's what I want, kind of like a hover effect, but with your body. That way I can use the same one everywhere, and it just shows up where it needs to. That's how you have yours? Just proximity based? Yeah. It's just that then I need to make sure that my cutscene triggers are like in the full area that I want them to be. so you can interact at any point. So I probably need to make this wider and go all the way to the desk. Because yeah, right now it's just not quite enough. I gotta do something like that. That way if you walk up to the desk, it triggers the indicator. Do like 80 and then 1224. We'll do 80. There she blows. You have an area. If you walk in the area, it shows the indicator. Nice. Same area triggers the ability to interact. Yeah. Seems to be the way. And that way. Yep, there we go. So now if I walk up to it, we'll be good to go. Alright. That being said, let's look at the... What the fuck is this? Close annotations. Okay. Cut scene trigger. Use the trigger logic. Bop, 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 bop. Engage enemy. That's for enemy engagement. Engage cutscene. Is this it? Trigger cutscene if overlapping cutscene. Okay, here we go. So I need this. And what I need... Save mission. Okay. Yeah. Both of these things need to be stopped. So. We'll do trigger type. Ooh, I got a new model for inline code completion. Gimme. Ooh, it's for JavaScript. I actually got this on my work computer the other day. It's really good for JavaScript. Alright, trigger type. Schmeequals. No. Where's the trigger? Yeah, here we go. Value.dataset. Oh. Shit. I think I did trigger type. What did I do? Yeah, trigger type. Blip. Get attribute. You know what? I'm gonna fix it. Dataset. Oop. Trigger type. If engagement is not equal trigger type, then you're free to go, my friend. Else, fuck it up, fuck it up. Just kidding. Don't fuck it up. Let's change you. There we go. What time are you streaming tonight? I feel like I get your notification a little bit later. Lately. You're trying to pregame? So you can just do the stream of just playing? Now I understand it. Ah. Got it. So yeah, you just want to do the stream of the game. That makes sense. Oh, I just realized I don't have chat. Why did I turn that off? You can't do the bill on Steam. Shows your password. Got it. That's kind of dumb. You think they'd not do that? They probably don't want their back end and shit on stream anyways, though, so that makes sense. Okay. So, if it is engagement, what we want to do is create a util function for triggering the fucking... Let's see here. This is going... What the fuck am I doing? Something... The one thing that's wrong with this stand now is that this is kind of like too slippery. I know it has some roughness, but the desk is so smooth that I might need to come up with some better grip. I want it to be printed though, so I don't have to buy little like rubber footies or anything. But the problem is that my cables are like tilting the computer this way, and I want to tilt it this way. Maybe I'll just move. I just don't want to move the mic and lose it again. Okay, I think that's good. It's too far. Okay, all right, it's still there. Okay, that's better. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Feel quiet now, though. How's that? I think that's still a little quiet. Okay. Yeah, I just don't want to be like in the mics like this the whole time. Hello. Okay. So this is going to be trigger indicator. So this will be our util function. And what's we gonna do is pass the element that's going to have the indicator. Indicate me. And first thing we'll do is get the left pose. Nope. Nice try though. Ooh, this is good. JavaScript. Auto completing JavaScript. That's the first time it's done that. Wrong, but good try. Style left. See, in my game, I don't care about the position of any of the objects within the viewport. You know what I mean? I only care about their position within the map. And that's why I have to rely on the left and top styling. Which is fine. Replace. PX. Still trying. Still wrong. You'll get there. Nope. Whatever, I'll take it. It's gonna be top, but it does a lot more suggestions than the PHP version. Okay, now that we have those, let's figure this out. We want the indicator to be, I don't know. Ooh, bug fixed. Create the build. Oh, I want 2 thumbs up. There we go. Yeah. I celebrate your bugs as well. So we want it to be... Oh yeah, you can do the little things, the little funfetti and fun balloons, and we like it here. Where the fuck? It's not working. Wait, what? Oh, there we go. Confetti! Oh, okay. Got it. Okay. how do you have your indicators? I mean, it's harder because you're in a 3D space, but do you have them right in the center of your person, or do you have it like to the top right of them, top left, right above their head? How do you have it? I think it may be right above, right in the center bottom, like at their feet. How's that work? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm thinking like Pokemon style, you know, like, oh, you know, the exclamation point. Do 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 do. What's up, Trigger? It fades in and says, oh, it gives you little directions or whatever. That's right, that's right. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a bunch of those too. Oh, okay, got it. Makes sense. So then I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna keep the left position. I need their width too. So let's do const width. No, in this case I don't want style. I want client. I think I could just go width, right? Maybe not. Maybe you have to go client bounding rect. Width? Is that it? No? Did I do that wrong? What the fuck? Client. How do I have this wrong? God damn it. Oh, get bounding client rect. I have a horrible memory sometimes. Get bounding client rect. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Okay. So let's give me the width. And then I'll divide it by 2. So that'll give me half the width. And then what we'll do is, well, we need the indicator too now. So indicator equals document dot query selector indicator icon. Yeah, right. If indicator, and then what we want to do is set the indicator's positioning. So, style the left equals new equals width plus left, which will be parse int, because I'm pretty sure it's still string, and that should do it. And then for top, I think we can keep the top the same. We'll see. I might need to like minus a few things. You know, I'll put a little bit of minusing in. Top position. Oh, wait, what? Left position. There we go. Top position. Minus, I don't know, 10. Percent. Alright. And I think that's it. Boop. And then we should add the class. Indicator class list. Add engage. Engage. Perfectos. And then I guess we'll have to have a way. I'll definitely have to hide it when they get away from it. I might be able to do that. Well, whatever. Let's just make sure this works first. And let's add some styling for indicator icon. We'll do display none by default. And engage equals block. Oh, whoops. These are also back scratchers, in case you're wondering. And shoe horns. Multi-use tool. I'm more wondering how long it's going to take for it to melt under the heat of the computer. That was something that my buddy Weaver came up with. It's like, but it would have to get to 400 degrees, and I don't know how feasible that is for the heat of a laptop to get to 400 degrees. I mean, it's PLA. It's high-speed PLA. So, I mean, it's not supposed to get super hot. It's made to melt under that kind of heat. I can imagine it getting softer, maybe, but I can't imagine it like full-on melting. Though I could just put some sort of heat dispersing pad on top of it, but whatevs. We'll find out. Okay. Will this work? No. Let's see why. Could deform, yeah. Yeah, exactly. It might even deform in a better position. I don't know. Yeah, I haven't thought about price yet. I'm gonna have to do some searching, you know, do some comps on other shitty little plastic products. I know, like, when I was looking at the light switch things, I found similar products for like, you know, like $5 or something like that, but I'm sure I can get away with having these products in the $5 to $10 range. And then I don't think I can offer free shipping or anything, so we'll see how that works. But I think if I make it cheap enough, that won't be a big deal. Alright, here's the trigger. So I did trigger it. Where's the indicator? Right here. Okay. Well, it definitely didn't do anything. It didn't even try. Okay. Let's see why. Oh, I didn't even use the function yet. That's why. Idiot. Engage. Cutscene. Where's the trigger? Oh, I did, trigger type. There we go. Else. Trigger that. Now, I don't want to trigger the cutscene trigger. I want to trigger the actual cutscene triggy. This is the person that I want to trigger. Oh no, this is a person. Shit. Oh wait. Cutscene triggy. Right. So I'm gonna have to do like document dot query selector. Map item. Something like that. Sell them in a 5-pack for 20. Yeah, maybe. I'll probably do bundle deals like that. You know, you can get a single one for $5. You can get 3 for $8. You know, something stupid. 5 for 20. Might be good to have for your startup. You know, people are like, ooh, stupid cheap shit that I can put in my what is it? Your swag pack. Yeah, you could also put little logos on these circles too, or even put like the name of your company on the side. That's one cool thing about this slicer right here. Check this out. So they have this like built in. It's called embossing. And so like I can put my company name right here. And you can like wait. Ooh. There we go. How do I get you on my product? That's weird. Last time it went on top of my product. Now it's acting like my product doesn't exist. Oh, maybe I need to like actually select the product. So I go that. Aha, there we go. No, did the same shit. Swiss. The hell Swiss? Join, cut. Wait, join. No. Modifier, cut. This is interesting. Use surface. Aha! That's better. So now if I do that and I move it, it's like part of it. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do this. Oh no, I think that was it. No, looks like it's cut off. Yeah, it's pretty cool though. So you can, I mean, because usually what I'd have to do is I'd have to add it within Fusion 360, but then I'd have to like re-export every time. But in this case, right on the fly, I can just come up with the embossed text. So how do I really would like to set text to face camera. It's weird, this worked perfectly before, and now it's acting weird. Maybe it's because of the product. What the fuck? Wait, how come redo's not working? That's weird. Oh, they're using Command Y. I'm used to Command Shift Z. Yeah, it is really nice if it fucking works. How do I add text? I guess that's not. Oh shit. Embossed text. Yeah, but it's not really embossed. Ooh. Yeah, I guess you get the point. How do I see? It's part of the body, but I want it to be like outside? No. Oh, here we go. Style. How do you make this operation? Ah, there we go. Join. There we go. I couldn't see it because the window wasn't big enough. There you go. So now that will print, you see, like, as embossed text. So yeah, you can put your little company logos on these. You can put your little icon there. Yeah, cheap little swag. Why not? And yeah, the fact that it's directly built into the slicer like that, it'll make it really easy. And it has a buttload of fonts. I don't know why it has so many fonts. You know, it's not like hooked up to Adobe fonts or anything where they just have like an endless supply. But they have it built into their slicer. Okay. Are we going to actually see something this time? Let's see. And go. Nope. Shit. I'm stuck. What did I do? Null. Okay, indicate me did not work. I should probably check that it exists first. Query selector. I mean, this should have worked. Let's see what we got here. Oh, excuse me. Alright, let's see what we got here. Indicate me. Yeah, you really don't need Comic Sans. Yeah. Kidding me? That's what everybody's using these days. All the cool kids are using Comic Sans. Alright. Let's see what this bitch is doing. No. Well, at least we know that it works. When you go away, it stops. So I can actually disengage indicator just up there. Okay, but why is it no? That's kind of weird. Cutscene tricky? Maybe I should use position. Oh. Yeah. What was I thinking? Use position. Oh, wait. The cutscene. Okay. Yeah, let's try that. That should actually work better. And then let's make sure. Yeah, we're gonna have to disengage. Oh. Aha! It worked. Hey, look, the indicator's way over here. Okay, well, we definitely don't want that to happen every 20 milliseconds, so let's do this. We'll just check the position with the current position. We'll check the... We need to check. So let's do this. Let's put this up here. God damn it. Hey, Seashell, can you explain something to me? Maybe you'll know this. Why the fuck do IDEs allow you to copy blank lines? Why? How come I can copy this and then paste it? Like if I copy this line and I'm like, cool, I have this line. And if I slip and I hit copy on a blank line, it overrides it. In case your return key's broken. Of course. They thought of everything. You know how fucking annoying that is? When I like copy a big block of code or something like that, and I go in here and I accidentally hit C instead of V, and then I have to go and find that fucking code again. Oh my god. It's so goddamn annoying. And I'm like, why? Why do you allow me to copy a blank line? Ever. I think I've complained about this in about 40 streams, but god damn it. It happens to me so much. Ugh. Okay. Especially when I cut something, because it's gone now. And then you copy instead of paste. Alright. See you in a bit. Okay. So I need to check. Oh, I'll just check if it's already engaged. Yeah. And false equals indicator class list dot contains engage. There we go. Okay. So this should be good. Wait, what? Oh, I still have a console log. Whoops. Okay, I think the only problem I'm seeing now... Oh wait, let's see. What am I using? Explore character. Andy. Yeah, perfect. Shit. Cool. That is not the right spot. So let's see why. Yeah, why are you here? Because your position is 1091 and 3892. And your position is not 1091, 38, 1091. What? That's weird. Yeah. Absolute. Oh, fuck. It's because I don't have the indicator inside of the map. I'm stupid. Hold on. I'm going to move this. I have to move the indicator inside the actual map, which I wanted to avoid because I didn't want it to get removed. But it's fine. So wait, let's put it inside the container. Yeah, it should be fine. Oh yeah, see, as long as see, it needs to be inside the default map. That means it's gonna get deleted every whatever. let's just give it a shot. Yeah, viewport doesn't matter when you're inside the map. Problem is the default. Yeah, see, look at, there he is. Now it's working. Yeah, it's because it's all relational to the map. The map is everything. Like, it's 5,000 by whatever. I forget what it is. 5,000 by whatever. And that's what I'm moving in relation to the map. Like, that's my grid, basically. So everything outside the map, like the settings and all that kind of stuff, those are all viewport based. Because they don't care about the map. They just care about the viewport size. That's how these are all able to be, you know, connected to the screen. So settings, menus, that's all outside of the map. Inside the map matters. So if I want to relate any item to something on the map, it has to be in the map. Now, it worked. But I need to... Oh, look. I guess I could have not done that. I don't think 10 is enough. Let's do 30. And then I want it to fade in, so we will do this. Instead of display none, we'll do opacity 0. Alright. And then we'll do opacity 1. And then we'll do transition. And I only wanted to do it on opacity. Because it's going to move around. Nope, now it's JavaScript. Alright, let's see this fade in. Well, it didn't. Uh-oh, I think it's because I haven't changed. No, yeah, this should be right. Opacity. Maybe I need to make it slower. Oh, I think it's 0.3 milliseconds, 0.3 seconds. There we go. Milliseconds are a little bit small. Oh yeah, there we go. Though, do I want it to fade in that slow? Maybe not. Maybe a little faster. I also wonder if I should add a little noise. Like a little clip, like clip. So now I can click action and start the cutscene. So let's add the removal of the engage class. So oh yeah, where's the universal? Everything gets removed. I think it's at the end of this. No, where's all those functions like remove engage, remove this? No. Oh, here it is, right here, right here. Let's also I can't see this becoming an issue, so I'm gonna just do it. No. Nice try. Alright. That was styling, not JavaScript. There we go. Okay. Let's try again. So, oh yeah, look at that. Indication. Indication gone. And nice. And let's see if I can trigger a cutscene the old-fashioned way. Yep. Because I haven't set her to auto or engagement. And it looks like the cutscene still triggered that way. And I can still go over here and talk to him again. I like it. Now let's change her to the same thing. Let's do it. That would be the onboarder. And then let's do engagement. Coo. Now in her case it's different because there is no trigger. So now I need to set it so when you walk up to her and like basically, you know, run into her, that's when the engagement indicator will show. So let's go to, we'll add the same shit. Now where's, oh, is this it? If trigger overlapping with someone, cutscene is assigned to. Yeah, here we go. So I actually need the exact same logic. That is right here. Trigger type. Blah da dee blah da dee blah. And that would be here. Let's just steal it. I think it's the exact same thing. It is, except for the remove, because there's no trigger. But I think... yeah, I think position is still the right thing. Okay, cool. So this should just work right out of the box. And if it does, fireworks. And if it doesn't, rain. Okay. For some reason it started me there. So that was a big rain. How do you do rain again? I thought it was 2 thumbs up. Oh yeah. Thumbs down, man. That's really hard to do on camera. Okay. Why didn't that work? She is engagement. So it has to do with, oh, value trigger type. So actually this needs to be position. Because it, oh no, it needs to be the cutscene. The cutscene trigger type. Right. Because value is the person. Position is the person. And this is the person. Oh, so I don't need this. I need... the cutscene? No, I need the person that the cutscene's connected to. Which is... value. Yeah, should be value. The cutscene, yeah. Wait, what? Oh, I spelled it wrong. My bad. And then value. Yeah, don't touch any of that. Okay, let's see if this works. I need to make a distinction. Because... Oh, no I don't. No I don't. Okay. Yeah, this is just whoever you assign it to. Got it. Yeah. Alright, let's see if this works. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Okay. God damn it. Why is this not working? Indicator should be indicating. Linitar Giza. Exactly. You watching a Goofy movie? Is that what's happening? Wait, let's double check. That saved. It did. Okay. Top 10 movies? Hell yeah, man. Oh, you know what it is? I'm touching her, not the cutscene. No, I already knew that, though. Yeah, the cutscene is the cutscene. And I'm getting the trigger type from the cutscene. So where's her cutscene? You're falling on from your talk to me, baby. Oh, okay, got it. I was wondering where you got that from. That's anti-reception. Where is Iona onboarder? Onboard. Oh, right here. Cutscene. Oh, shit. Okay, so it's not getting the trigger type. Why not? Okay, well, let's find out why. Triggered. Oh, I added. Oh. Right. There is no trigger. I don't want trigger type. I think for people, you should always have to engage with them. So this is no longer necessary. In fact, none of this is necessary. So it will always just be this. Because I'm going to have to come up with the triggering logic for cutscenes now. I don't know. We'll see. Wait, did I do the wrong one? No. Yes? Oh shit, I think I did to the wrong one. Hold on. I did it to the wrong one. Where is the one oh, I did this one, yeah. Right. Same movie. That makes sense. Okay. What happened? Oh. I didn't trigger her shit. Aha. Okay. So this one's going to be a little harder. Because technically you have to be like running into them in order for this to happen. Because it kind of pushes me back when I hit them. So I'll have to like literally be leaning into them and then clicking engage. So in that case, we're going to need to fudge it a bit. I wonder if there's going to be repercussions to doing that, though. Let's try it. So what we're going to have is 120 by 120. Okay, so now she's giant. Then we're going to add padding of 10 pixels. Oh, I didn't have to do that. Okay, cool. I thought I was going to make her smaller. Alright, let's see if that works. Because if I want to actually make them bigger. Oh, okay. So it's keeping them 100. Oh, because it's background. Shit. Cover. I wonder if it'll hit a margin. Let's try margin. Okay, let's try that. No, see, I'm not hitting her. Margin doesn't do it. It's gotta be, oh shit, come on. It's gotta be, padding. So we're gonna have to padding 20 pixels and then 120 120 130. Why am I getting this math wrong? Oh no, it's 140. Interesting. Okay. No. Okay, so it's 20, 20. Yeah, that's an extra 40. So this will have to be contain instead of cover. I thought the padding would have screwed that up. Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter. I would just have to make the padding 100 pixels. I mean, the background size 100 by 100. And then background position would have to be center. Oh, center. Yeah. I mean, that is now working. It's also pushing me away if I like get in the right angle. Ugh. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to revert this. Okay? And we're not gonna do it like this. I think what I'll do is if I want it to be like that, I'll just have to add a trigger that's around the person, which I've done before. So in this case, Iona's position at the end is... Oh, wait. I gotta go to her position at the end. No. Iona. Oh, hey, by the way, Seashell. The ACX, the audiobook is coming out very soon. He just needs to approve that he got paid, and it's going to be uploaded. Yeah, so get ready. Probably this weekend, maybe. Depends how quick they get it out there live once they publish it. I know. No, I already paid him. It's just he needs to like say, yes, I got paid. It's very manual. Okay, where's the... Okay, here we go. No, it's the walking trigger. Oh, speaking of... Let's change her speed. Where's her walking path? Oh, it's right here. 3156 1580. 3156 18503. That's character. Here we go. 3156 1580. 1580. And we'll make this 140 pixels. 140 pixels. Oh, we need to minus 20. No. Yeah. So it'll be 30 and 60. Okay. This should work now. Nice. Perfect. Well, when you're starting your stream, I'll be done. Because if this works, I want to come watch you. Oh my god, why is she still so fast? There we go. It worked. Unfortunately, I can still do that though. So I need to figure out if you have... Wait, what? Oh, it went away. The trigger went away. Right, because it got engaged. That's weird. Maybe it removes it in the engage cutscene. Okay, I need to make it so, though, if you have a cutscene, if the cutscene is engagement, it shouldn't trigger when you touch the person. I mean, in that case, I just need to get rid of this. Right? If all cutscenes are triggered by a trigger, and not the person anymore, which this is kind of a janky logic, then yeah, I mean, you don't need this anymore. And then this is redundant now. There we go. We're simplifying code. Yeah. So the trigger can be the person in the same position, or the trigger could be, you know, somewhere else, but the interaction, the indicator will show up either way. So let's see. Let's try that again. I still don't know why she was so fast. But she's definitely fast still. There we go. Perfect. I don't like how it's off-centered like that, though. Should be right in the center. Indicator. It should be, what? More like... Wait, why is it? Oh, it's like changing back. So I'm thinking like 5 pixels, maybe. So width. I feel like, oh, I'm not considering, that's why. I'm not considering the indicator size, which is 15. So that would be 7.5. All right, man. I'll probably jump on while I mess around. You have a great one. Yeah, I'll see you in a bit. I'll jump on your stream for a tiddly wink. Have a good night, though, man. I'll tell you with words, since you won't be able to hear me later. Oh, I guess this is already a integer. Yeah, because it's 15 pixels, yeah. There we go. Dead center. Kinda. It looks a little bit to the left. Could just be the image though. Okay, let's see this one. Oh, look at that. It works. Same indicator, different position. Aha. I love it. That's fantastic. I love it. And if I switch her back to auto, her cutscene, it should just trigger right when I walk into it. Whoa. Well, the trigger's over here, obviously. Why is she still so fast? 65 maybe? There we go. That's a better speed. Great. Does the same thing, but if I want it to be engagement triggered, you can do that. Using your noodle. And if I go there, boop, she has a little engagement. Alright, let's see. How high is this? Because it looks a little high. It's not. It's not too high. There's just so much space above her. Oh, I guess that's not her though. That's her trigger. Yeah, where is she though? Here we go. Yeah, I could go down a little bit. Let's do 25. All right, great. So next stream, we'll work on getting the indicator triggering the cutscene with the action button. So we'll need to, in order to do that, we'll have to cancel the hitting functionality, which I think I already do, if I'm not mistaken. Hit. Oh yeah, there you go. Allow hit. So I think I can just set that to false. Like right now. Hold on. I think I can do that right now. Indicator. Here we go. I can also do this. And then down here, allow hit true. I think I can already do it. Let's check it out. See? I didn't even have to wait till next stream. Lucky you. Alright, check it out. Wrong button. So, now if I interact with somebody, so from right here, I can punch. Punch, 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 punch. But if I go over here, can't punch anymore. But I can engage. Punch, 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 punch. Oh shit. Well, apparently I can still do a charge attack. Okay. That's great. Perfect. So that means if you're engaging with somebody, you can't hit. Alright. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Everybody who's been watching. Appreciate your time. Subscribe. If you're watching this in the future, follow. Come on. Come say hi. Comment. I don't know. Whatever you want to do. Just come see me. Come hang out. Read the books. Listen to the music. Watch the videos. I don't know. All the good stuff. I got a lot going on. Goodbye.